Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix if your TikTok has been stuck under review for more than a day. Alright, so if you uploaded a video and it's not going live because it's under review, here's what you can do. First, go to your profile and tap the three lines at the top right. Then go to the settings and privacy, scroll down and look for report a problem. Tap on that. You'll see a bunch of options. Try to find one related to the video. If you don't see anything that fits, no worries. Just scroll to the button and tap submit a report. In the report, just explain that your video's been under review for over 24 hours and you want it to be posted. Add some details about the video and if you can, include a screenshot or screen recording. Hit submit and TikTok should get back to you within a day or two. And that's it. Hopefully that's helped you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.